Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about a topic that is velocity and acceleration of fluid particles in a given flow field. So this topic comes under a chapter that is kinematics of the fluid. So in the kinematics we have to study about the various flow field and velocities and acceleration variations in the flow field. हमारा टॉपिक है वेलोसिटी एंड एक्सीलरेशन in a flow field. ओके, तो सपोज आप लोग जानते हो वेलोसिटी इज गिवन बाय वेलोसिटी वेक्टर v इज इक्वल टू यू आई वी जे एंड डब्ल्यू के. दिस इज द वेलोसिटी वेक्टर एट एनी गिवन पॉइंट इन ए फ्लो फील्ड. तो यू वी एंड डब्ल्यू क्या है? u इज द x कंपोनेंट of velocity, v is the y component of velocity and w is the z component of velocity, and I j k are unit vector in x y and z direction. Now we have to find acceleration. We know that velocity is the function of space variable x y z and time coordinate. There are 4 coordinates only. If velocity is the function of x y z and t, hence u v and w are also function of x y z and t. ओके, अब हमें निकालना है कि एक्सीलरेशन कैसे हम फाइंड आउट करें. सपोज v इज गिवन, तो फॉर एक्सीलरेशन, एक्सीलरेशन इज इक्वल टू डी वी ओवर डी टी. ओके, तो हमें क्या निकालना है? डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ वेलोसिटी विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम. नाउ वी नो दैट फ्रॉम मैथमेटिक्स डी वी इक्वल टू del v over del x dx, del v over del y dy, del v over del z dz, del v over del t dt. This is the sum of partial derivative. Okay, total derivative is equal to sum of partial derivative. Now dv upon dt equal to del v upon del x dx upon dt plus del v upon del y dy upon dt plus del v upon del z dz upon dt plus del v upon del t dt upon dt. So dt and dt will be cancel out, and here we know that dx upon dt is the u, dy upon dt is the v, and dz upon dt is the w. Now it can be written as dv over dt is equal to del v over del t plus u del v over del x plus v del v over del y plus w del v over del z. Now this is the acceleration. Net acceleration is equal to del v upon del t plus u del v upon del x plus v del v upon del y plus w del v upon del z. Now this equation consists of mainly 4 terms. These terms vary with respect to space and this term vary with respect to time. This velocity varies with respect to space. So this is called local acceleration, and this component of acceleration is called convective acceleration. Now acceleration may be due to 2 reasons. One is with respect to velocity variation and other is with respect to space variation. ठीक है, जो एक्सीलरेशन होता है उसको हम इस फॉर्म में भी लिख सकते हैं, इस फॉर्म में भी लिख सकते हैं. तो u del v over del x is the convective acceleration and del v over del t is the local acceleration. So total acceleration is the sum of local acceleration and convective acceleration. Total acceleration is equal to sum of local acceleration plus convective acceleration. Okay, now we know that total acceleration consists of x component axi, ayj plus awk. Now what is ax, what is ay and what is az, इसको हम कैसे निकालेंगे, कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? तो अभी हमने देखा था ax should be equal to del u over del t plus u del u over del x plus v del u over del y plus w del u over del z. This is the x component of acceleration. Now ay equal to del v over del t plus u del v over del x plus v del v over del y plus w del v over del z. This is the y component of acceleration. Now z component of acceleration may be written as del w over del t plus u del w over del x plus v del w over del y plus w del w over del z. These are the x component of acceleration, y component of acceleration and z component of acceleration. So we can find total acceleration or resultant acceleration equal to under root ax square plus ay square plus a z square. ठीक है, और ऐसे भी हम निकाल सकते हैं एक्सेलरेशन वेक्टर ए एक्स आई ए वाई जे प्लस ए डब्ल्यू के. Okay, now we will solve some question problem based on the flow field and acceleration. तो हम कुछ questions करेंगे. Now the question is, the velocity vector in a flow field is given by question velocity vector v is given by 4x cube I minus 10x square y j and 2tk. This is the find velocity and acceleration of a particle at find velocity and acceleration of particle at point 213 and t equal to 1, टाइम इक्वल टू 1. आपको वेलोसिटी एंड एक्सीलरेशन निकालना है एट ए पॉइंट 213. नाउ यू नो दैट v vector at 213 will be 4 into 2 cube I minus 10 into 2 square into y j plus 2 into t k. It equal to 4 into 8 I minus 10 into 4 j plus 2 k. Now it become 32 I minus 40 j plus 2 k. It becomes this 1 2 comma 1 comma 3. So this is the velocity at point 2 comma 1 comma 3. Now you may obtain the resultant velocity. Now u component u equal to 32 unit, v component of velocity equal to minus 40 unit and w component of velocity is equal to 2 unit. Now resultant v equal to under root u square plus v square plus w square. Now if you will do this calculation, you will get velocity. If you will calculate, you will get velocity that is equal to 51.26 unit. 51.26 unit. Okay, now we have to find acceleration at this point. We had obtained velocity. Now we have to calculate the acceleration. Now we have to calculate the acceleration, total acceleration. Now you know that acceleration is given by del v over del t plus u del v over del x plus v del v over del y plus w del v over del z. But you can see here that velocity is not given as function of x, y, z and t. It is not given in the form of x, y and x, y, z and t. So we have to calculate local acceleration. Then we will get total acceleration. Now we know that ax equal to del u over del t plus u del u over del x plus v del u over del y plus w del u over del z. Now you know that u equal to given by this is u 4x cube, v equal to minus 10x square y and 2t is the w. So u equal to 4x cube, v equal to minus 10x square y and w is equal to 2t. Now you have to obtain del u over del t. So del u over del t equal to 0, del u over del x is equal to 4 into 3x square, del u over del y equal to 0 and del u over del z also equal to 0. So put these values in above equation, we will get ax acceleration in x direction equal to 0 plus u del u over del x, u equal to 4x cube into 12x square plus 4x cube into 12x square plus v del v over del y. Now del u over del y, del u over del y is equal to 0, del u over del z equal to 0, so remaining term becomes 0. Now you had obtained ax equal to 4x cube into 12x square. Now you will get 48x to the power 5. Now you have to obtain ay. Ay will be del v over del t plus u del v over del x plus v del v over del y plus w del v over del z. Now you know that v equal to minus 10x square y, minus 10x square y. So it is the function of x and y. So it will become 0 plus u equal to 4x cube, 4x cube into del v over del x. It becomes minus 10 into 2 into x and y is equal to constant plus v equal to minus 10x square y into del v over del y. It becomes minus 10x square plus 0. Now you will get 10 into 2 20 xy, 20 into 4 80 minus 80 x cube y plus, here it is minus sign, minus minus will becomes plus 10 into 10 100 x square into x square x to the power 4 and y. Okay, this becomes ay. Now you have to obtain az, acceleration in z direction. It becomes del w over del t plus u del w over del x plus v del w over del y plus w del w over del z. Now we know that w is equal to 2t, hence del w over del t is equal to 2, and all other terms will be 0 because w is the function of t only. Hence we will get az equal to 2. Now we have to find ax, ay, az at point 2 comma 1. What was the question? 2 comma 1 comma 3. Put the value of 2 comma 1 comma 3. You will get a x, ay and az. So after putting this you will get ax, ay and az. Now ax will come out 1536 unit, ay will be 320 unit and az will be 2 unit. Now a is equal to under root ax square plus ay square plus az square. After putting the value of this ax, ay, az, we will get a is equal to 1568.9 unit. So this was the method to solve the problem on the velocity and acceleration. Thank you for listening and watching the video.